Log into your account. After logging in, on the left side click on Chatbot. Then select the number you want to enable the chatbot. Then click on add item. Then keep the status enabled and choose which contact you want to sell. If you want to send it to all contact, select all, or only to individual, select individual, or only to group, select group. And select how the chatbot will be triggered. If the message contains only the keyword, or if the message contains the whole keyword. And give a name for the chatbot. And give the keyword. Keyword is the chatbot. So right now selected message contains the keyword. So if someone sends hello, I need more information, the chatbot will be triggered. Or if I select message contains the whole keyword, if someone sends only hello, then only the chatbot will be triggered. Then you can select text button or list. Right now I'm choosing text. If you want, you can add media files. You can upload it. Video, photo, PDF, documents, anything. And once you've uploaded, it will be inside file manager. Select whichever media you want to attach, then click on done. And write the chatbot reply. So right now we're doing a bakery demo. Okay, so we have option 1 cake, option 2 pastry, option 3 bread, option 4 cookies. Okay, then click on submit. Then on the right corner, make sure it is running. Then go back to chatbot and enable the chatbot under whichever number you want. Then if you want to check your chatbots, click on item list. Then you can see the chatbot we just saved, hello message. So we'll check the chatbot if it's working or not. So someone sends hello and chatbot replies automatically. Okay, and if someone wants more details about the cakes, so cake is number 1, okay, then you can make another chatbot. Click on add new, give it a name. Then on the keyword, either you can add 1 or cake. Then let's just say we want to send cake photos. Then click on submit. And if someone wants to see cake option or option number 1, they can send 1 and the cake photo will be sent. You can customize it according to your specific need.